Welcome to VPN Lab. Today you're going to get the biggest official discount available on Helium 10. There are two types of discounts. One for people who want to use it for a short period, and another for those who plan to use it long term. First, open this special coupon sale link, where the coupon code is already applied automatically. You can find this link in the first comment. On this page, you'll see 20% off on monthly payments for the first 6 months, and after that the regular price will apply. The second option offers 10% off on monthly payments for a lifetime. Now scroll down a little, and you'll notice that the Platinum plan is already selected by default. Right next to it, there's a Claim Coupon button, and the coupon code is already auto-applied. If you want the Diamond plan, you can choose that option as well. If you scroll further down, you'll find links for both coupon deals. This means if you want 20% discount every month for 6 months, click on the first link. And if you want 10% discount on monthly payments for a lifetime, click on the second link. As soon as you click it, you'll be redirected to the checkout page where the coupon code will already be applied. This coupon link is available in the first comment, so you can simply click it and land directly on this coupon page. Also, to claim this coupon, you must create an account using a Gmail that has never been used before to sign up for Helium 10. If you don't have a new Gmail, just create one. It only takes around 2 minutes. So the link is in the description. Enjoy the discount and take advantage of the offer. Bye-bye.